This beautiful daisy amidst all of this. Oh my goodness. So the leaf blower will come in handy. It went to -4 last night. So it was quite chilly. After I did the tile, it was too smelly in there, and then I became aware of the fact that I didn't have proper ventilation there. I usually am good about that. So yesterday there were all of these tracks here. So I think it was a dog that was here running around, I think. So it could have been Wally, although I didn't see him. But this has me a little perturbed. See, it doesn't have big paws, and I've got all of that. So I'm thinking he must have been excited around here and running all over the place. I don't know. Okay, so I brought the boat this far. I don't know what else to tie it to, but I think I've got to tie it at the front. And this is what I did. Oh my gosh, look at that. I absolutely love it. Comes this way. I reinforced it at the back there as well, but I think I've got to throw some soil on there. There'll be soil here that I'll be able to move over. So those big rocks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm sure there's more there, are going to go by the trees at the front, by the parking lot. And even those two over there, they're pretty big, and there's another one there. We're going to take them there and place them. I don't know how. Yeah, there's quite a bit here that I want to move there. The bigger rocks. The smaller rocks, I don't know, maybe I'll just support this wall all the way up to here. Hey! What's up? Took off. I'm looking forward to next summer with this little thing fixed here. Jason is bringing in more sand because this has compacted quite a bit, and we'll fix that dip over there, that over there where the water was running off. and whatever the issue was with that, and a little bit more over here. Over here we could use a little bit, but my main concern is here because there's quite a bit of a dip. So I'm heading down now. And these beautiful hydrangeas. Look at this cluster, beautiful. And over there where engine is, actually this is muffler. Look at all the little mushrooms there. So these all came in really, really nicely. And look at all the new growth there. These are going to be gorgeous plants next year. So really looking forward to the garden next year. So it definitely looks like fall. And it is cool. Very, very cool. Property is looking very nice. I'm so pleased with the progress this year. So pleased. They're coming to do the roof sometime in, well, they said soon. So I don't know what that means. But look at this. Oh. Don't mind the leaves in there. Mind you, this part of the property has not been done at all. We're trying to build that up. So we'll keep putting things in there. It was a huge dip before. What I would like to do is have the that rock moved here, that one over there, and that one in the middle, but I don't know that we can move that one. When Jason is here, I'm going to ask him to move it. And this one needs to be turned around. It's a little lopsided. He did it himself, which floored me. And this rock here, we may either use it over there or then, because this is where I want to line up the rocks, because it kind of goes down. So build this up, level it a little bit more. Over there, and then put the rocks here. So this is fall. I still have these stumps here waiting for time to do something with this here, and it just hasn't happened. So I'm hoping this will be next spring or maybe even this fall, if I can get people to come out and help me, because I can't handle them on my own, doing that and leveling, etc., etc. So this part here, I'm going to leave it in its natural state. Obviously, I've cleaned up some stuff and I will rake and whatnot, but it's going to stay more or less as is. So one of the things that we did was put in the driveway. This was time consuming, it was costly, and it took numerous times for them to get it done, have fully done. This was all nice and clean last year. We didn't do anything with it this year because of time. I think we have to get the cleanup early in the spring because once we start doing work, it's very difficult to stop and then come to do this. We've got Mr. Octopus there with iguanas and the great owl there. And we have the crocodile right underneath it. This is fall. And I'm not sure whether I got this here before. But I just want to show you again.